Okay, so you want to know how to make a Podio account. But before we get into that, let's ask ourselves a question. Why would you even want to use Podio? Think about it. Podio is a powerful collaboration and work management platform. It's great for teams and organizations of all sizes, and it can help you to get more done more efficiently. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your team's productivity, or if you're just looking for a better way to manage your projects, then Podio might be the right tool for you. Now that we've established why you might want to use Podio, let's get into the meat of the matter: how to create a Podio account. Step 1. Go to the Podio website. The first thing you need to do is go to the Podio website. https://podio.com/signup. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Enter your email address and password. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Step 3. Choose your plan. There are 3 different Podio plans: Basic, Premium, and Enterprise. Each plan has different features and pricing. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be using the Basic plan. Step 4. Click the Create My Account button. Once you've selected your plan, click the Create My Account button. Step 5. Verify your email address. After you click the Create My Account button, you'll need to verify your email address. Step 6. Log in to your Podio account. Once you've verified your email address, you can log in to your Podio account. Step 7. Start using Podio. Now that you've created a Podio account, you can start using it. Here are a few tips for getting started with Podio. Take the time to learn about the different features and how to use them. Experiment with different ways to use Podio to see what works best for you and your team. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started with Podio. With a little bit of effort, you can be up and running with Podio in no time. And once you are, you'll be able to start using this powerful tool to improve your team's productivity and efficiency. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a Podio account today. And with that, I'll leave you to it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.